Hey there, my name is Younes, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about Kotlin types. In Kotlin, basically we have all the types that Java provides. Okay, so basically you can create a variable of int, let's call it number, example of int, like that. And basically you can do this, int, and equal 15, for example. Okay, great. Now, as you already know, this we can delete this because it will infer the type. And something maybe you don't know, we don't have int like that. We don't have any primitive types in Kotlin. Okay, there is no int, no long, no, I don't know, double or float. Everything is an object. Okay, like that. This is a double or this is a float. Okay, so basically we have this int. We can double this line and create a double like that. It will be a double, and we can delete it, of course, just we have to precede it with something like that to infer its type. Okay, same thing for float, just add an F at the end. For Booleans, it's the same thing. It's val, let's call it Boolean. You can create Boolean like that, and it will be just true or false. Okay, and it is of type of Boolean like that. As I said, there is no Boolean like that, okay? Just Boolean objects. Same thing for anything else. We have, I think, short. Yeah, exactly, we have shorts. We have byte. And we have also long. Let's give an example of long, like that. Well, you have to type it, something like that, long. And let's give it a value, okay? As you can see, this is different from this. This somehow is grayed out and this is white. Why? Because we are reinforcing the type. If you delete that, it will think that this is what? This is, let's call it example long, this is an int, okay? And if you proceed by an L, it will mean it is a long, okay? It is a long, okay? We have also this powerful feature. It was also in Java. We can, let's say we have a long number like that. So this number is unreadable like that. We can put here underscores like that. So this is readable. This is 15 million. All right. You can put underscores here and also in, I think, yeah, like that. You can put it in doubles, any numbers. Okay. And basically anything else like string. You can create string like that. And this is string. As you can see, let's put a Boolean. Boolean is a Kotlin class. As you can see, this is C with a K. It's a Kotlin class. Can we use the Java classes here in Kotlin programs? Well, let's see. Let's create something, I don't know, let's create an array list. As you can know, an array list. As you can see, there is an array list, an implementation of Kotlin, and there is the array list from Java. Yes, you can use array list from Java. Why? Because simply Java and Kotlin have some interoperability. So basically you can create Kotlin classes and Java files and make them work simply because Kotlin support that and Java also support that. Last thing I want to mention here, you can create lists. You have a type of list. Let's create list of string like that. And let's give it a type, list. As you can see, this list is from Kotlin collections. You can do the generic types as same as Java, and let's give it string like that. And now you can create it using, well, array list, for example. You can create an array list. In Kotlin, we don't have new. Whenever you want to create a new object with its constructor, of course, you don't have to type new, just type the array list type. Array list, like that. And you are ready to go. Okay. In Java, we have to do like that, new, like that, but in Kotlin, we don't need it. Okay, so whenever you want to create an object by its constructor, always just delete the new. Okay, so this is how you can create object and its type. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned something in this video and see you in the next video.